Hey guys, I am going to make a quick video to show you how to record your data using Google Sheet and also use that data to create a graph really easily. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet application. The Microsoft comparison would be Microsoft Excel. Spreadsheet applications are really great for recording and interpreting data. There's lots of different mathematical equations you can run in spreadsheets, and you can also really easily display your data in a high quality way. We're going to just use our data for our heart rate science investigation that we completed. The first thing that you really should do all the time with all of your digital work is name it. So I'm going to name this spreadsheet heart rate SI, SI for science investigation. It's a really important habit to name your virtual or your digital work so that you know exactly what each document or slides or spreadsheet is for. Then we're going to enter some information into the spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet is this whole area where you see all these boxes. We're going to double click on the top left box, which is cell A1. And there we are going to label that column with time running. And the unit that we used to measure time was seconds. And then we're going to double click on the box right next to that, which is B1. And there we're going to label that column heart rate. And our unit for heart rate was beats per minute, which you can abbreviate BPM. Then we're going to input our actual data. So the times that we ran were 0 seconds. So you'll type 0 in A2 right underneath the time running. Click enter, and then we jog for 15 seconds, enter, 30 seconds, enter, 45 seconds, enter, and 60 seconds. Then we measured our heart rate at each of those time intervals. So my heart rate after 0 seconds of running, so my resting heart rate, was 62 beats per minute. So I'm going to type that in the B2 box. Click enter. My heart rate after 15 seconds of jogging was 76 beats per minute. 30 seconds of jogging, it was 80 beats per minute. 45, 88 beats per minute. And after 1 minute of running, I had a heart rate of 100, not 1,000. All right, so now we have our data put in, and we are going to create our graph. So to create your graph, you need to select all of your data. So if you click your top left box and then click again and drag your cursor to select all of that data, it should be blue when it's all selected. Then you'll click insert, and you want to insert a chart. Sheets is pretty smart, so it's probably going to make a line graph for us, which is exactly what we want. It already has a title, heart rate versus time running. They have time running along the x-axis, which is exactly what we want, and heart rate on the y-axis. So now that you have your graph, if you click your graph, you can select it and then type Control-C together to copy your graph. Go back to your heart rate slide where I wanted you to insert your graph. Click in that slide and then click Control-V to paste your spreadsheet. To paste your graph. I'm going to paste it unlinked so just the graph comes over. And now you've got your graph in your slide. You can change the size or you can move it around, but that's all you need to do.